is going to be totally different. All right, I'm going to put in some, this is almond milk. All right. Yeah. That is almond milk. Good vibes. So, pinch of sea salt. Sea salt I'm using. You don't have to, but option. Right. I'm gonna put some oats. Inside of it. Right. Mix spice inside of it. Not the egg. Cinnamon powder. Those are just options. You don't have to. Right. Nice to see you. Nice one. Beautiful recipe, Nikki. All right. Yeah. Look at that. That is amazing. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner this. That is amazing. All right. You see? I don't think you guys know how to make this at home. If you don't know how to make it, just watch this video. All right. Let's get my fruits ready. I got raspberry and blueberry. Yeah. Excellent, people. So you can see exactly what Chef Ricardo have been doing right now in the kitchen. I'm just getting these Wash off. Oh yes, beautiful people. What's going on? Smell like something burning. A little bit of hot water. Make it boil up. We're good to go. Yes, people, 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 people. You know it go already. You know what I mean? That looking good. Really good. See that? Yeah. Look at that. You see what going on right there, sir? Look what going on. Yeah. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. All right. Let's put a little bit of for some color and sweet condensed milk inside of it. All right. Yeah. You can use honey and sweeten it. All right, let's see how this tastes. Not too sweet, not too sour. Just right there. You know, all they're gonna have to do now is put some vinegar in it. Lovely. Turn off. And put a little bit of apple cider vinegar in it. Yeah. A good vibes. Yeah. Yeah, man. So you guys can see what's going on right there. All right. All right. Remember to get yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo's Secret Recipes to Success. The book is available on Amazon. Go over, get yourself a copy. All right. Tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. All right. And then what you can do, you can freeze up the rest for pudding. All right. Just freeze up the rest for pudding. All right. Look at this. Mm-hmm. What that? That look like a rose. Mm-hmm. See this? This is all you have to do when you feel in the mood. You just do something like this at home. All right. Mm-hmm. Look at that. All right. I bet you don't know what's going on right here. Yeah, man. Look at that. That is amazing and fantastic. All right. Look at that, people. Wanna see what I go on? Yeah. And that happen right now in our kitchen. So tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. All right. A good